Welcome back to Enough to Be Dangerous. I'm Mike.
I'm Paul. Today we're back in the wood shop. Now a lot of you probably haven't seen this wood shop because you've joined us from the muzzle loaders. We are more than just terrible shooters.
We're also terrible woodworkers and terrible mechanics too. If you joined us for muzzleloaders, don't worry, black powder's not going anywhere.
We were asked to do this project for a school fundraiser. So grab a cold one and come hang out while we make a mess.
Power tools?
Yeah, let's do it.
Go.
Started by sanding the 2x4s so they would slide apart easier once they were all stacked together. I started cutting while Mike kept sanding.
So at this point in the video, you're probably wondering, what are we doing?
The shorter answer is we don't know. Jenga. I realize now that we didn't even tell you what we're doing. We're making a great big old Jenga set. Now you know.
Big old.
Great big old Jenga set.
Great big old.
Let's get everything cut, and then we'll do the chamfer.
What? I can't hear you.
What? What?
More sanding, and if you can believe it, more cutting.
Let's get them all, and then do the, and then we can pick them.
Okay.
I don't know. There's some English in there.
54? Is that what we're going
54,
for?
I think, yeah.
It's either 54 or 56.
Should be 54. That's divisible by 3. So, maths. Somebody do some maths. Get our metric people involved. You know we got people in the UK and Australia watching us?
No. We do?
Yeah.
Do they watch this in metric?
I think so.
So for all you, and this is 266.7 millimeters.
This is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Yeah, I mean,
obviously.
For all of you watching.
How much?
266.7.
So 26.67 centimeters.
Yeah, because you moved the decimal.
Now, you know, we get a hard time because metric is so much simpler. And you're right. But we're going to go ahead and stick to inches. There's like one other country that uses imperial, right?
Just
like in the world?
Us in Alaska.
Oh, man. Alaska. Yeah, that's the foreign country I was referring to.
It's basically Russia.
Okay. Well, it was. Once upon a time. All right, I'm going to get a router before I say something
Inches
I'm going to regret.
10.5 inches equals 266.7 millimeters. Were you impressed that I knew how to convert that?
Less than you think I should be. Right. Well, let's router some junk and see what happens. Ready to go. In case you're wondering what in the world I'm doing, I'm just putting a little roundover router.
Chamfer? No, not a chamfer.
Well, it's not a chamfer.
Not a chamfer.
Okay, again for our UK fans, chamfer.
You keep acting like we actually have UK fans.
We got one.
Okay, so fan.
For our UK follower, thanks, you know who you are. I'm putting a quick, I mean, it's not a chamfer. It's not a chamfer, it's a roundover, which I think is pronounced the same regardless of where you are.
Then to make a box to keep it all in.
Give me a piece of.
As smooth as you can. Want a glove?
Yep.
Wipe your hands on the glove. Yeah. It might be the dumbest use of a glove I've ever seen.
Yep, that's good.
So I worked with a guy that was measuring a piece of wood to cut, and then he was like, "Oh yeah, that's perfect." And then
did he cut his tape measure?
He cut his tape measure.
Oh my goodness!
So if you're gonna do that, pull your tape off the before you cut. There we go. Okay. All right, we did the thing. We made the Jengas.
Another project done. Join us next time on Enough to Be Dangerous. Pick it up.
That'll Jenga.